Hey, what's up, guys? I need some help because my controller is not working very well. It's delaying, it's not configuring. The joystick has a problem with up and down. There's a delay. There's has been ghost touch ever since, and I've been using this controller for like 5 years now, I think. I played a lot of games with it, and it's been falling down sometimes throughout the years. I think that's the reason why it caused a ghost touch. So is uh, right here's the problem with up and down. It's not, you know, it's delaying. Sometimes there's ghost touch. So my character in every video game is not moving properly. It's frustrating. But the other joystick here on the right side, I can control the camera properly. As you can see right here, if I move this, yeah, it's so smooth. It's working properly. It's working properly. But check this out. If I move this, see that? There's a delay. See? Franklin keeps moving. I'm not even touching it. Did you notice? He keeps moving. I'm not even touching. See? See? The controller is not detecting the down button. Up and down has a problem with the joystick. So I need help. Give some tips. Uh, should I buy a new controller? Should I find a professional at the mall or change a spare part of Xbox One controller? Because Xbox is so rare in the Philippines, I think, because every tech store I go to, it's all about PlayStation. Yeah, that's it. I can't enjoy my games anymore. I can't enjoy them because of Ghost Touch. See that? It's working properly. But this one right here, this one, up and down is not working properly. See? Franklin is not moving. See? He's not detecting the joystick. There's a problem. There's no feedback. I can't enjoy playing games anymore.